Alright, I haven't done one in a while because it hasn't been that cold. Yeah, I got about 15 degrees, give or take an inch out here today. Yeah, block's about 16 degrees, give or take. We haven't done one in a while, so we're going to do one real quick. Just check the oil, check the water, checked everything. Wait for the glow plugs to click off. Run the grid heater one more time. There she goes. There comes up the oil pressure. About 800 degrees, or 800 RPM. I don't know why I always want to say degrees. And everything's running. Later, pumpers.